guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to draw an eye, and so I hope you like this video. Anyways, please make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will start now. Okay, so first you're gonna grab whatever pen you want. If you have a pen at home or if you're drawing here or something, you can just take one of these pens. Any of these options, like the eraser, the crayon. Well, the eraser you won't always need. Actually, the crayon looks nice, but like for face, I can show you what they'll look like each. So you can choose, that's up to you. The eraser will be to erase, as it's in its name, right? And so I'm just going to erase all these thingies because I was just like showing you as an example for this. And so we're going to start now. And I'm probably going to use this pen for the eye just because I think it would like work better. The other one is too bulky. It's too big. And so you're going to start by drawing like an oval-like shape, right? Like not like the alien eye, but like a normal human eye, right? And so if you want to add more detail, you can kind of put like a small wrinkle at the bottom. Not too big though. And just make it concealed with the eyeliner because if you're going to do that, I will be doing that though. Never mind, I don't want to do the top one because that will probably get covered up too, right? And so I'm going to draw the inside for the pupil part, and then I'm going to use this marker. This is my technique personally, so if you like it, you can use it, or you can go your own way for this technique, but I'll show the other method too. You can like just make the little white thingies in the eye too, or you can fill it in like fully like that, right? And so I'm going to do this, and then I'm just going to grab my eraser. I put on the biggest erase mode, and you can make like 2 dots like that. Perfect, right? And so when you're done with that part, you're going to get like any color for the eye. I'm going to do maybe a blue. Okay, and you're just going to put the outline of the eye. Ooh. We made a mistake here. Well, I did. And here we go. Now, so I was thinking of maybe doing these little line thingies in the eye. If you know what I mean, like you can just do a slightly darker shade here. I was gonna use the like very refined point pen. Just put them around the eye area. And there you go. Now you just have your eye part ready, but now you have to start on the eyelashes, right? And so I'm gonna probably start with maybe makeup because that's what I do in the back. And so this was the color I think that I wanted to use. Yeah, it was. Or you can do whatever color you want according to the eye color, or just something in general that you think would match with an outfit the person you're making is wearing. And so you can just shade that in. Now I know it looks a little bit ugly right now, but that'll get fixed, trust me. And so just put this back to black and draw that part of the eye, right? Now, you might want to make the inside, that can be the wrinkle, I guess, if you really want the wrinkle there. Like, it depends on your opinion. I guess I'll just keep it there. But that will get concealed with the eyelashes we're going to make. And so you're going to make the opacity at 100, size at 100, right? And if you're not doing it on this thingy, then you can do it on a paper, and it's just suggested to look similar to this. Like, use a marker or something, refined or not. Either one is good, so yeah. I guess you can draw the eyelashes, and make sure you draw a bunch of them because the humans obviously have a lot. And yeah, you would want to draw a lot. And I guess it makes more sense to kind of conceal the wrinkle thingy I made. Well, at least I will. And then you're going to do like a little this way around. Like all around the eyelash part. And I forgot one very important step in the drawing, which we can still do now, and it's not going to hurt. So you're gonna grab this and you're gonna put in like a coral color or this one, and you're just gonna fill it in on the side. Cause like everybody's eye has that thingy, but I don't know what it's called, and so yeah. And I guess this part is done, and so I'm just gonna draw a little bit more of the face, if you don't mind. Well, just excuse me there for a minute. I guess you can figure out how to draw a nose too. So you can do like a little curved line here and one from the other side, right? And you're just gonna do like a little thingy that goes down, like a little, like you know how the nose part is, like the nostrils. So you're just gonna put the outside. You don't have to draw the inside of them to make the holes. And then yeah, I guess that part is covered. Or if you're doing a sideways face, yeah, I'll actually keep that there. Or sideways face. You could do this. Right? And so that's done, I guess. And for the eyebrow, this is like one part I really love. So you're just gonna do that. Make it about the size of the eye. Make it a little bit thick at the beginning, but then make it get much more narrow towards the ending, right? Like, kind of get the end point. There you go. Now you just color it in. And I suggest towards the outside of it. You might want to use that black marker we used earlier. And for the mouth, it depends on what you want to do. You can do like this, you can do a smile, or you can do lips just like that. And then you can just do brush or blush, whatever it's called. Yeah, blush. And do on both sides, I guess. Well, it depends on what you want to do. You're just practically like drawing pink circles on the face, but make sure you don't make it too hard, like, or too bright, because it's gonna look a little bit weird on the skin then, right? It look like there's a skin tone change maybe potentially, so you might not want to do like the blush too hard. Just do a very light shade. Don't do too much shading and not too much for the area. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will put my little ending thingy here.